Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Make sure your Ps5 system software is up to date and identify whether the keyboard is wired, USB-A or USB-C, or Bluetooth. Once done, plug a wired keyboard into a front or rear USB port. For USB-C use, an adapter if needed. If you plan to use Bluetooth, move the keyboard close to the console and ensure it has fresh batteries or is charged. This prepares the Ps5 to recognize input immediately. You now complete the wired setup. Plug the keyboard into a USB port and wait a few seconds for the Ps5 to enumerate the device. Then go to Settings, choose Accessories, and open Keyboard to confirm layout and adjust key repeat delay or language. If keys are not behaving, try a different port or a powered USB hub. Once you verify normal typing in a text field, you can use the keyboard for messaging, web browsing, and many games that support keyboard input. You finish by pairing Bluetooth keyboards. Put the keyboard into pairing mode, then on the Ps5 go to Settings, Accessories, and select Bluetooth accessories to find and link the device. Once paired, test typing in messages or the browser. If pairing fails, make sure no other host is connected, restart the Ps5, and power cycle the keyboard. If problems persist, try a wired connection. Often a firmware mismatch or low battery causes Bluetooth issues. Replace battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.